Hello student, this is a video for your chapter Malgudi Cricket Club. In this video you will get solution for this chapter, and in the last video you have received solution for exercise number A for these 5 questions. Now let's see from exercise number B. Think and discuss with your partner, share your answer in class. Okay. He sometimes thought that the same pictures was pasted in every page of the album. It looks like any other bat in the catalog. What do these 2 lines say about Swaminathan's interest in and knowledge of cricket? Okay, you see here the answer. These 2 lines say that Swaminathan has lack of knowledge and interest in cricket, but wants to show that he has good knowledge of cricket. He had good knowledge of cricket. मीन्स वो सिर्फ एक क्रिकेट के बारे में अच्छे नॉलेज होने की दिखावा करता है, जबकि उसे ऐसी कोई जानकारी नहीं थी और ना ही उसे कोई बहुत इसमें इंटरेस्ट भी था. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी नंबर 2. बेयर courtesy made Rajam offer the authorship of the letter to Mani. Which phrase can replace bare courtesy, mere politeness or true kindness? What does this line say about Rajam's opinion of Mani? Let's see. Bare courtesy can replace with true kindness. With true kindness. Bare courtesy made Rajam offer the authorship of the letter to Mani, who declined it. Okay, here it means true kindness. Now, number 2, B. Do you think Rajam knew he would end up writing the letter himself? Why do you think so? Yes, Rajam knew he would end up writing the letter himself, as he took up the task himself and placed the letter on the table. हाँ, रजम जानता था कि वो खुद ही राइटिंग टेबल को एंड कर पाएगा, इस वो खुद ही से राइट कर पाएगा लेटर को, और फिर वो उसे खुद लेटर को राइट करता है और फिर टेबल पर उसे पुट प्लेस कर देता है. ओके, नाउ नंबर 3. Swaminathan constantly contradicts himself or points out problems, identify them, various instances when he does so. क्या स्वामीनाथन के लगातार जो कंट्राडिक्शंस होते हैं, जो प्रॉब्लम्स उसे मिलते हैं, कैसे प्रॉब्लम्स, कैसे इंटेंशंस उसको उस समय क्लियर होते हैं? You have to write it here in this answer. You see here, while writing Willard Bad, he noted down Willard June year bad. So this was the problem of Swami while writing these words. And then secondly, he was only chewing his pencil without producing word. It was his great problem. And now then, the more he tried to be correct, the more muddled he was becoming. These are the facts that made him extremely disturbed in problem at that time. Now you see number 4. Why do you think Vince responded the way they did? How would you have responded to the letters from Vin? Do you think it would have got the result you wanted? Let's see number 4. We think so. We think so because the letter was not understandable by Messrs. Vince. That's why they have to respond. They have to respond in the same way. The letters responded by Vince has not got result we wanted, as it was not clear that he was sending the good or not. तो हम ऐसा इसलिए सोचते हैं क्योंकि जो लेटर आया था मेसर्स विंस के द्वारा वहाँ से वो अंडरस्टैंडेबल नहीं था, और यही कारण है कि उन लोगों ने सेम वे में रिस्पॉन्ड भी किया। जो लेटर था उसने मेसर्स विंस के द्वारा उसने रिस्पॉन्ड किया था कि उसमें क्लियर भी नहीं था कि वे लोग वो गुड्स भेज रहे हैं कि नहीं भेज रहे हैं। मीन्स द लेटर वाज full of confusion. Okay, now you see exercise number 6. Work in group of 3. Take turns to role play one of this situation. The 3 boys writing the letter, okay, or the 3 boys discussing the letter received from Messrs. Vince. You have to do this exercise yourself. Here you will write it. You will at first make your team of 3 members, and after that, on the basis of the letters, you will play a role and you will put questions and answers one by one. So this will be done by you. Now you see exercise number D. When did Rajam realize that starting a cricket team was not easy? Was not easy when Rajam realized it. Okay. You see here, Rajam realized that starting a cricket team was not easy, as he has fear of dragging them in the court if they take Hobbs' team name, and second was fear of tax. मीन्स रजम को रियलाइज हुआ कि क्रिकेट टीम को स्टार्ट करना इतना आसान नहीं था, और जो भय था कि अगर वे हॉब्स की टीम का नाम लेंगे तो उन्हें कोर्ट तक घसीट के ले जाएगा, तो इस बात से भी कहीं अधिक डिफ़िकल्ट, कहीं अधिक ट्रबल उसे क्रिकेट टीम को स्टार्ट करने में लग रही थी। एंड सेकेंड वाज फियर ऑफ टैक्स, और दूसरा जो फियर था वो टैक्स का उनको लगा हुआ। ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी नंबर 2. हाउ डिड रजम एंड अप राइटिंग द लेटर टू मेसर्स विंस? You see here, Rajam ended up writing the letter to Messrs. Binns with the words "Don't fear, please urgent" and "Obediently, Captain Rajam," which were incorrectly wrong selection of words. Now you see number 3. Why did the 3 boys think that Messrs. Binns had sent them the wrong letter? 3 boys thought that Messrs. Binns had sent them a wrong letter as they were unknown about some words used by them, even after checking in the dictionary. ये जो लड़के सोचे कि मिसेस बिन्स ने जो उनको लेटर भेजा है वो रॉन्ग लेटर भेजा है, क्योंकि उनको उस वर्ड्स के बारे में जानकारी नहीं थी, उस वर्ड्स के बारे में वे अननोन थे और डिक्शनरी से चेक करने के बाद भी वे काफ़ी परेशान दिखाई पड़ते।